Well, good morning. Another lovely Monday morning. It's 5:33 in the morning, and I've got about an hour's drive to work. It's, some people sound crazy. Maybe I am, but we love it here. I wouldn't trade it for the world. We'll see you in a little bit. Time for some breakfast. All right, we're here at work. Let's go inside. See how everybody's Monday morning is going. Get some paperwork done. Find out what I'm going to be doing today. See you in a little bit. Well, hey, okay, we're back. We done got our paperwork done and got our work order, first work order. Not a whole lot going on. Things are kind of slow right now, but going to our first service call of the day. It's actually a regular customer residential call. It's actually something that I did a few months ago, and a couple weeks ago they called, and some outlets I put in, they started tripping the breaker outside outlet. So there's something, water or something going on in the wiring or something out there, and we just got to figure out what it is, try to fix it. Could be a warranty issue if it's something that I accidentally did wrong. I just have to see what's going on, and I'm going to try to film. This is the maiden voyage on my service call thing, so I'm going to see what I can do as far as filming. Not just using my cell phone. I don't have one of them fancy GoPros or nothing. Not yet anyway. See how it goes, see what you all think. So let's get going. We're going to be there in a little bit. Go over there and see what's going on. Even if I can't film, I'll let you know what's going on. But let's hit the road. Okay, I've kind of figured out the first thing that's going on is I've got a dead short through continuity between my ground wire and this black wire, or the hot wire. Can you hear? If you can hear, okay, it's indicating there is a ground fault between the hot and the ground wire. It's clear between the hot and the white wire, or the neutral wire. I've already checked that. So that's the first thing I found wrong. And this was a quick fix. The first receptacle from this box, took it out, and the ground wire, that copper wire, and this black wire were touching in the box. That was creating a ground fault. It wasn't like that for a while, so the wire must have moved a little. That's all I can figure. It was barely touching on it, but it was enough to trip the breaker in the panel. You can feel there's your ground fault sound. It's all clear now, so that's an easy fix. Put it back together, tell the customer, and on to the next one. Well, that was a pretty easy fix. Got it all put back together, everything worked fine. Got with the owner. Now I'm just going down the road. Next call, I'm going to be going to help my partner. He's on another call, needs 2 people, and don't know if that'll be the rest of the day or not. I might be able to film a little bit, I don't know, probably not. I'll see if I can give you some updates on what's going on with it. Just going down the road right now. Man, what a beautiful day. Right now it's humid out, but it's 70 degrees. But it's still a really nice, beautiful, sunny day. And just reminded me of one of my devotional verses from the last few days. It was rejoice in the Lord. This is the day the Lord has made. Rejoice and be glad, or be happy in that day. Man, what a powerful verse. No matter what's going on in our day, no matter ups or downs or whatever it is, we can be glad that the Lord has made this day. And He helps keep us every day. If you're not, if you don't have the Lord in your heart, if you're not saved, I know you don't understand this, but believe me, I mean, I was there one day myself, one time in my life, and praise the Lord, the past 15 years have been totally different. But maybe I know I'll definitely give a testimony on that, make a video on that, because that's one of the things it's going to be important to me with this channel that me and my wife are doing, is giving the Lord praise for everything in our lives. And I just hope and pray that I never forget that, and I hope you all are the same way. And if you don't know the Lord, just keep tuning in, man, because, man, I'm just an ordinary guy, just like everybody else. I'm nothing special. If you meet a Christian who tries to be all high and mighty, just don't relate that to every Christian, because if you're in my opinion, the way I take it is you stay humble, man, in everything in life and in the Lord, and do everything, give Lord the praise in everything, and everything will work out for the better. I can tell you that whenever I do that, my life is a whole lot better. And so I just gonna head on to my next job. I appreciate y'all, and hopefully I can do some more filming today. If not, I'll catch up with you on the way home. God bless. Hey, afternoon everybody. We're on our way home now. Almost halfway there. Didn't get a chance to record any at that second call I was at. After we got done there, I had to go drive another 30 minutes to finish out the day in a factory. Now I'm on my way home, and that call that I went on, a second call to help my partner, we were working on some electric door lock openers in a storefront in a mall, and had no power on. There were these two huge glass doors, and you put a key in, you turn it one way, and they slide open. They open real slow, or the other way, and they close. And it took us a while to figure that out, but once we got it, it was an easy fix. It was just finding it. So there really wasn't nothing interesting going on to film, and I don't know if my buddy would have wanted to be on film anyway. So we didn't film nothing there, and then, like I said a second ago, we went on to the other place to finish the day out, and we're heading home, and so I'll talk to you soon. Here's our road we live on. Almost to the house. So it's almost like you're in the middle of the woods. To the valley. There's a creek down there, and it opens up to our place. We call it a valley because you can't see it right now, but that's going up the mountains there, and up on that side, same thing. And we're pretty much in the valley, hence the name. We got rabbits coming through, deer coming through right here. There's a we're kind of making this into a meadow. I had a video where I was cutting grass there. Deer come down through there. They head down through the yard, go down that way. So we're getting ready to go up here and get the dog out as soon as I get out. Hey, Chewy. There's my buddy Chewy. He's ready to come in. What you say, buddy? Huh? How you doing? How you doing? You ready to go inside? All right. You got to pee? No? You just ready to go in? Oh, maybe going hunting. He likes to hunt those chipmunks. See, he's staring up there. Have you been watching the chipmunks today? Huh? All right. We're gonna head inside. All right. Chewy's having a little bite to eat, some water. He's gonna go out, check out the chipmunks, I reckon. Hey everyone, now we've got Chewy kind of had a snack, came in and cooled down a little bit, got him some water. Now he's gone back out to hunt some chipmunks or something, rabbits, something. And then I am starting dinner. For me and my wife still works, she's probably on her way home now. And it's the beginnings of what we call our version of beef stew. It's more just like a stew, not the beef part. But, I mean, it's got some beef in it, but I don't know. We like it. We just throw a little bit of this, a little bit of that in there, and meat, potatoes, and carrots. All done. So I hope you enjoyed the little short video I had today of what I do at work in a day. It wasn't really a busy day, which really hadn't been busy much here lately. And we'll do some more videos of stuff like that around here, where you can see what we just might do in a day. Maybe just be sitting there watching TV some of the days. But we hope you all enjoy these videos. And if you do, we appreciate it if you'd hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and share and tell your friends about it. And our channel's, like I've been saying here lately, our channel's just growing and just started, so we just want to get it growing. And I know it takes a long time to have that come about, but we're just going to take it one week at a time and have fun with it. And, if anything, we'll make some records for our family to look back on someday, and we'll just be happy with that if that's all it ends up being. So we appreciate y'all, and God bless, and have a great day.